what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Back in the kitchen again, showing you how I prepare my Jamaican ackee and saltfish with fried dumpling. Guys, hope you enjoy this video. Come along, pick up on yourself, and thank you for watching. And what you're gonna need for your make your fried dumpling, you're gonna need some butter, some baking powder, and some salt. And you're gonna need some oil, and that's the recipe for the flour, the Jamaican fried dumpling. When I finish, you just use the dumpling and just wipe out your local bowl and just go at it again. Yeah. I make the flour, so I'm just gonna cover it with my plastic wrap and let it set for just 10 minutes, and then we just fry. Here I have my saltfish. So what I'm going to do now is to rinse off all the salt of the fish, and then I'm going to boil it. Okay, when I boil it, I just boil off some of the salt. You're going to make your saltfish boil for 15 minutes. You know, you want to get out majority of the salt. Yeah, so I'm just gonna make it boil for 15 minutes. This is how it looks after 10 minutes. Really perfect dough. Yes, you just go in it again and just, you know, yeah. Here I have my Dutch pot, well hot. So I'm gonna put in my oil. This is my saltfish, giving a lot of trouble. So I turn up the stove to make the pot hot. So I put in the oil now. I don't want my dumpling to burn up. I'm going to turn it down back. Okay, so here I have my dough here. I started to make balls with them already, so come, yeah. gonna pop them. I don't know how big you want your dumpling, so you can. And here's my dumpling. Don't be afraid to turn on your stove, and you can turn the dumpling them on the side and make them soak properly. Yes, guys. May get burned, you know. Yeah. Yep. You have to have this. And your napkin into a dish, and you just put your, when the fried dumpling finish fry, you just place them here, that some of the oil or majority of the oil can leave on the towel here. In the color that you know it's having, yeah, it's really a soak. So remember, you have to turn on your stove. You can't have your stove and I eat. If you want your flour, you can. If you want your flour to come out. Here I have all my seasoning. This is what I'm gonna use fry up my saltfish and my ackee. And I'm not sponsored by Linstead Market. You know, I can't get any ackee here, so I have to. It's my first time trying the Linstead tin ackee. First time, so. That's what I don't know how it looked inside, but yesterday when I was buying it, this lady was there and she was telling me that them come out firm same way in the tin. So yeah, this is all my spice. I have some onion, green sweet pepper, some scallion, and some pepper, and I have thyme and some tomato and some more pepper here. So here's my saltfish right here. Let's put the saltfish right here. This is my saltfish. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do with this saltfish now is to take out all these bones. Yeah. And scrape off the scale. After it. I'm gonna use the same oil I use for the dumpling, and look about my ackee and saltfish. So I'm gonna turn on back the stove. But this is the oil that leave. This is a lot of oil, and you don't want to cook ackee and saltfish not so much oil, so much grease. So I'm gonna throw off the oil. And this is it. Yeah. So I'm gonna put in my season, my herb I should say. This is my herb, all my Jamaican herb. Yeah. Onion. Now I'll put so much time. Pepper in there. saltfish. I'm gonna use my fork and just pick up my saltfish. You can use a hand. I normally use my hand, but like when I have the fork in my hand, I just use the fork. Yeah. So I put in the seasoning first. Just make this cook down a little. Then I'm gonna put in the saltfish. And it smells good, you see? Trust me. It smells really nice. I'm gonna put in my saltfish. And I normally put black pepper in there, but in sake of the video, I'm gonna put little black pepper in there. Okay? Yeah. Because of the video, I'm gonna put little black pepper in there. See? Colorful. Trust me. It smells so good. Yes, and this is how the tin ackee look. Yeah, this is how it looks. Tin ackee. So I'm gonna put it in now. Now pour a little more oil in there. Just a little. And I'll put little black pepper. Don't normally use black pepper, but just to get the ackee little color. Now just take time, stir it, but you don't want your ackee to mash up. Yeah. So I'm just gonna cover it. So just cover it for about 2 minutes. 3 minutes. Yeah. Okay. Turn on the stove.